Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She's put on her makeup and brushing her long blonde hair. And then she asked me, "Do you look alright?" And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We'll go to her party, and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady and dancing around me. And then she asked me, "Do you feel alright?" And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love like this in your eyes. And I wonder often on that you just don't realize how much I love you.